Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're doing right now and you're watching this. I hope you're doing it fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, welcome to another awkward video, because all I do here is awkward, and also it's 3 in the morning. I've been waiting for my camera to charge because I started recording and then my camera's like, battery dead. And I'm like, of course it is. So we're on my floor, and the reason this is another awkward video is because again, this is another closet clean out type organizing video, and this is going to be my last one for a while because I am just going to make do with the stuff I haven't done yet, and yeah, it's just going to forever be a mess. But because my last video was going through the skirts that are in this closet and I never reach for my dressers in the bedroom, yes, I have more clothes, I decided that since I have room in the skirt area, I would go through my dressers and pull out the skirts there and see what I want to keep from there and what I can fit in the closet. So this is going to be another long one, I'm sure, and I'll probably speed up places, I'm sure. And yeah, a lot of you, or a couple of you, not like I have like a lot of people, but some of you have asked how I sell my clothes, and I have not gotten to that part yet. Because I used to sell on Depop, and I actually lost money because of all Depop's fees, so I'm still trying to decide what to do with all these nice clothes that I can sell. So that is to be determined on another day. I basically just have like piles and some trash bags of stuff like I need to try on, and I definitely want to sell. Not exactly for a profit, but just to avoid donating it and having it end up in a landfill. And if you are interested in any of the pieces I decide to sell, because there will probably be a final video of the things I am getting rid of, then let me know on Instagram or here or Facebook. All of my stuff is down below in like the description. I always have links to my social media. But yeah, I haven't gotten that far yet. I even thought to go to a flea market and get a stall like last year, but then the shit happened in 2020, so that kind of got put on hold. So I literally just have bags and laundry baskets full of clothes that I was planning on selling on Depop originally. So anyways, enough rambling. I have 3 piles of skirts here. I'm going to go through them. Some of them I had already pulled from the long skirts when I first started this closet clean out. We're on a journey together. We are dedicated. So grab your wine and your snack or your tea, not the bad tea, we don't do drama here, or your champagne, whatever you happen to be drinking or eating, because we're going to go through these skirts, and hopefully I'll be done because our anniversary is coming up. There are a couple of hiccups. We can work through those hiccups because, you know, it's about enjoying our time together as a couple and being amazed that we lasted this long. Just kidding, Ronnie, I love you. Yeah, but I kind of want to come home to at least a halfway clean closet and house because nobody likes getting off vacation and coming home to a mess. So we'll see what I can do in the next couple weeks. So yeah, I'll be right back. Let's get started. Yay, awkward bye, see you in a minute. These are the skirts I'm gonna go through. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is I don't have a haul, but I got this in the mail and it was late, but I guess words, I have them. I guess I'm just gonna start buying all the rainbow accessories I can find. But I found this on Amazon for like $8, and it's a belt, but you're supposed to use it for like a pageant or a wedding or maternity, but I like it. It's rainbow and it's just on a ribbon. It's got little pearls. But I'm going to wear this with like my pinup dresses. You could even do a choker. Probably not, but it was on my wish list and it was $8, and I was like, how have I not bought this yet? It's gonna look great with like a flared skirt and a petticoat, but yeah. And my hair is just pinned up randomly because it's hot in this room and I've been cleaning. But yay, I love this little belt, and it's just, I could have made this, but it almost reminds me, like the back of these, almost reminds me of like participation, like field day ribbons, but I just thought it was cute. And yeah, I'm gonna pack this in our little anniversary trip bag. and wear it with dresses. Anyways, moving on. So you saw the pile of skirts, so we're just gonna go through them. Yay. I'm not looking forward to this because it's exhausting. I was thinking about cutting this because it's so long, but it's also really flowy. So that's gonna go in the try-on pile. But I love houndstooth anything. It's so cute. And I think it's just like a classy print and classic also. So I'm gonna see how I feel about the length, and maybe I'll just throw it in my sewing pile. But I should also say, when I put it this way, it's in the try-on pile, and then when I put it back this way, it's the keep and hang pile. So, yeah, that way, try-on, that way, keep. If that makes sense. Yeah. Otherwise, I'll just show you like what I'm going to try on later. I don't know. I just figured, let's record. Why not? Let's do this. Sorry, I kept itching my nose, like, it's spring. So far, the try-on and the keep pile are about the same size, so I think I'm doing pretty well. Like, skirts like this, like, oh my god, they're just kind of generic maxi skirts, and because they just have a simple, like a slingshot, they just have a simple elastic waist, and it has this cute tie. I have this idea that if I don't want these maxi skirts, but they have the material that my mom likes, she loves knee-length skirts that just slip on. It's easier for her to get dressed because she's on a walker and she had hip surgery, so it's harder for her to like get dressed on her own. But I was thinking maybe I'll just chop these in half and then like save the fabric for my projects, but I think she would really appreciate that. And because it's that material that doesn't fray, I don't think she would care if I didn't take the time to hem them. I mean, like, if she wants them hemmed, I would do it. I'm her daughter, like, I would not mind, but I think I'm gonna do that because they're just generic, you know, and I have so many maxi skirts, I don't reach for them. So I think she would appreciate that. Best daughter ever, maybe, points. But they are cute, it's just I have so many skirts, I don't reach for them, so maybe mom would just get more use out of them if I cut them at the length she appreciates. So yeah. And this is one of my little alterations. I've had this since high school. I just bought this glittery skirt that's amazing on its own. But then I put this neon yarn like beads on this non-functional lace-up whatever, and then I painted this little star on the hem with like sloppy fabric paint. It's terrible, but because I made it, I love it, and it's just like sitting in my dresser, so maybe if it's hung, I'll actually reach for it. Maybe I'll actually pack this for Disney. And it's not like a Disney bound necessarily, but maybe it could be with the colors, blue and green. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But yeah, that's a keep. Let's move on. Thought I was recording. I wasn't, and I was so close to the end. So here we are. Awesome, Sarah. Awesome. Yeah, we're gonna take a drink for that one. So that was surprisingly easy, and I said that in my last video too, so it's like my brain is just telling me what I do and do not want in my wardrobe, which is like awesome. I really thought I'd be so torn. I mean, it's not like I'm getting off easy. Half of these are try on, and then I'll be like, oh, that's cute, and then I won't never wear it, and we'll do this again another year, you know. But I'm glad I'm tackling it this way, because then the pile of try on will just like get on my nerves, and I'll finally just knock it out one day, and it'll just be so satisfying to fill up yet another bag of clothing to sell. I am gonna stick to my probably bag and sell, because a lot of these things are still in such good shape. I would rather them go to a good home. So like this skirt, for example, is right on top. It was one of the last ones I went through. I really like this style skirt, but I have so many just in different plaid pleated patterns, but it's like I don't have one like this though, but they're all the same style, and I probably just tonight went through 3 that just have different plaids, but they all have the same side zipper, schoolgirl, business, secretary, whatever you want to call the style, mini skirt. So I just picked that one because it was the most generic, but watch me just have a whole rack of just plaid skirts in different colors, because that's just like my style. Or aesthetic. Are we still using aesthetic? I am 35. I don't know what the lingo is now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll just show you what I have to try on from this past week, and then what I have to hang, and then we'll be done until the next video when I decide to clean more of my closet. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like going through my closet, and it seems like a lot of my viewers appreciate like a good organized clean out and like seeing some of my collection. But yeah, if you have any tips on selling or what worked best for you, if Poshmark or Mercari or Facebook Marketplace is any better, or like I said, if you have interest in any of the pieces that I showed you that I may be getting rid of, just take note of them, I guess, and ask me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little series of me cleaning all my collection and seeing what I actually have, and hopefully it'll convince me to finally wear some stuff, even though it's not like we go anywhere right now. But anyways, if you like this kind of thing and this kind of content, including Disney, fashion, hauls, I have cats, I do random vlogs because I'm bored. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Do all the things you're supposed to do when you like somebody on YouTube. Thumbs up, bell, all that crap. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Wear whatever you want that makes you happy, as long as it's not hurting anybody else, because that's what this whole channel is about. And yeah, I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye. Awkward bye. Try on. Huge pile. Keep. Equally huge. I'm still in love with the Yu-Gi-Oh skirt I made, but I never wear it. So maybe once it's hung, I'll wear it. Yes. Now to hang all these. It's not going to be fun. They're all hung. I'm so proud of myself.